I bought something at Goodwill the other day and I don't think I realized what a steal I found. So it was this bin of beads. It was $7 and there were just a ton of these bags and I've been sorting them. There's actually a lot of really nice, cool beads. Like, look at these ones. They're like super shiny. I have this crazy idea on how to use these. Found this photo on Pinterest a while ago and I really wanted to create this staircase. And I've got these stairs that go up to this loft bed. I thought I could do a gradient bead effect on one of these steps, taking it through the colors of the rainbow, and I'm really excited. This really tested my ability to use color. Even though I planned this all out, I was so nervous to put these beads down. Because once they were down, it was gonna be really hard to move them. And after I laid out the beads, I got some charms and some little miniatures from the craft store that I put in it before I poured the epoxy. But all is not well in epoxy land, because I unintentionally sat on it before it was completely dry. But you all gave me words of encouragement and inspiration. And after seeing this comment, I decided to grab my trusty Sharpie and really own my mistake by signing my name on my bug crease. That way everyone would know I was there. Psych! I'm just kidding. I fixed the step. And now it's done. What do you think? I absolutely love all the little treasures that I hid in there. Animals and dice and little pencils. There's even a little potion book. Follow my page for more creative design.